Part 2. Cool. Yeah, I know. Okay, so somehow the camera went off. So, let's see this. Okay, that's good. Water. At least I need some changing. Check on Sunny's. Pause this. Okay, here we go. Put it in. Alright. Water needs changing. Okay, I think we need to change Ari's water and Sunny's water. So let's do that. Okay, just a little spoiler. I'm going to pause this, go out the sink, wash this off, that kind of stuff, and be right back. Apparently while I was taking it out, it took a big spill, and yeah, I'm trying to clean this up right now. So yeah, thing is, what happened is that I was taking it out, and then it bumped on there, and then it kind of just fell down. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I got this done. And yeah, I'm gonna set this here because I need 2 hands. I don't want to drop this again. And yeah, check with the guys later. Alright, so I got Sunny's right now. It's very fat. Dump it out. Put it on cold. Cause I don't think anybody really likes hot water. Unless it's hot chocolate, yeah. Everybody would buy that one. But if you are allergic to chocolate, sorry. So I'm gonna take this back. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. And I gotta somehow open this door. Okay, can't open it. Here, let's do this elbow way. There we go. Now, I gotta pause this. Okay, got the water done. That's probably the hardest part. So now, I'm gonna do the easiest part, the food. Pause this. Gotta get this done. Got new food for him or her. It's Ari. I'm just gonna say new food for Ari. Let's see if I can get this on. There's like some kind of slide thing that goes off here, and I'm trying to get it down. Let's see. Oh no, I got pause. Apparently the ladder was in the way, so yeah. Now, gotta go for Sunny's. Pause. So, what kind of whistle were you doing? You're doing some whistle. Ari's just doing the normal whistling. And I gotta put this back. Pause it again. Okay. So, Sunny is still trying to kill me. He's still trying to kill me. He hates me because I'm trying to pet him. And yeah. He loves hitting me more than me. Okay, with sun done. Go up there. Yep. I'll just get a high spot. Diego, you're still a brat to me? You still a brat to me? Yep, you kind of still are. You, come over here. Don't tip it. No, it's tipping. Careful. Ari, you go up there, or are you too wet? You're so wet. You know what? I need to pet you. Good. It's good. Mwah. Oh. Oh. There he goes. I'm here. I'm here. Nope. Fine. Have it your way. I don't care. I'll give a crap. How about this? Oh. He's flying. He's flying. He's still flying. He's still flying. Oh. No. You're gonna get killed again. Don't. You're gonna get killed. Go to your cage. Go to your cage. Go to your cage. Or you can go there. Nobody cares. Okay. So I guess that's everything right now. And then Diego's because our grandma's sleeping, and yeah. Alright. And I don't think I believe I'm gonna make a really big bracket. So that's it for today's vid, guys. See you later. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the whole vid. Bye.